We've always been a fan of sustainability, and that's been a big part of our business from the start, and the Biosphere program really pushes that to the next step for us. I think over the years we have continued to make steps in the right direction of improving the sustainability of our business. That includes some of the training that we do with our staff. When we built our business, we used repurposed shipping containers for our offices and some of our other staff boxes, so that's helped us to have a minimal impact. So we have the only drop swing in North America that runs on solar power. So we actually like to say it runs on sunshine and screens. One thing that we want to incorporate in the future here is brochures. So we want to have a brochure program where there's an incentive to bring our brochures back to us. You know, the environment really is a huge part of our product. Our guests are taking sustainability into consideration when they're planning their trips. As we go through our tours, we provide a lot of information that our guests take home with them. We emphasize the unique ecological aspects of our canyon, and we want our guests to really carry that sustainability forward. So we acknowledge that it's kind of a step-by-step process. I think it means the world to us that we are able to be a part of this program. One of the goals of our business is to be an example to others. So even though we are a small business, we are making those steps and we're providing an example for other businesses in the area. We see everything that we do as a business under the lens of sustainability, and as we move forward and grow as a business, we want that to be our guide.